Hi Kipsters, it's Miss Menzel. Today I want to show you an example of how to complete your Do Now vocabulary choice board. So the first thing everyone needs to do on the front page, find down here where it says name. Right, let's see. Nope. Right here, it says name. And on everyone's, it says Miss Snowball, but we want you all to enter your own name. So I'm going to pretend this is mine. So I'm going to erase that, erase Miss Snowball, and put my own name, Miss Menzel. All right, next. Here are instructions. And then we go to the vocabulary choice board. So there's one activity everyone must do. Map it. Slides 4, 5, and 6 have 3 different vocabulary words, and we must do each of those vocabulary words. So let's go to Map It 1. So our vocabulary word is in the center, terrestrial. So first, I need to find the definition of the word terrestrial. So this says here we can use the dictionary to help find the definition. So I'm going to click on the link dictionary. Click on that. And it takes me to a new website. Now here I want to type at the top of the page in this search bar, I want to type the same word terrestrial. And if I need to check the spelling, I can go back to my other tab. T-E-R-R, type that here, T-E-R-R, E-S-T, E-S-T, R-I-A-L, R-I-A-L, terrestrial. Enter. Okay, so the definition of terrestrial is of or relating to the earth or its inhabitants. That's a little confusing. I'm going to shorten that down and just say related to the earth. So I'll go back to my PowerPoint, clear all this text, and type the definition. Related to the earth. Okay, well, I might just move this down a little bit to have some more space. Next, part of speech. Highlight the correct one. You know what? I noticed back on that dictionary, whoops, it has the part of speech right here, adjective. Terrestrial is an adjective, so it describes a noun. So under a part of speech, I'm going to highlight adjective. And I can do that by going up here to this bar. Oh, there's the highlighter right here. Going to highlight it yellow. Adjective. Okay. Next, I need to think of at least one synonym, a word that means the same thing or a similar thing to terrestrial, related to the earth. That's a tough one. Another word that means the same thing as relating to the earth. Earthly. Like sometimes people say, I have no earthly idea what you mean. Means related to the earth. I'm going to type that in. Earthly. Okay, that's one synonym. Next, finally, I need to use this word terrestrial in a sentence. And I'm going to choose, I know that the earth is a terrestrial planet, so I'm going to type that sentence. The earth is a terrestrial planet. And I might even be fancy and highlight the word terrestrial to show that I am using our vocabulary word. Okay, so this first Map It activity is now finished. So we just have 1, 2 more to complete. We're going to pretend that I complete those, then go back to the vocabulary choice board, and now I'm going to take this red X here and move it to the Map It activity. That's to show my teacher, whoever my teacher is, that I completed this activity. So next, now I need to choose one more activity to do. I could listen to this space song. I could make a comic. I don't really like comics, so I probably won't choose that one. Write it. Use the Write It slides to write complete sentences with our vocabulary words. I might choose that. There's no extra link to do. Looks simple. Record it. Use Vocaroo to record a short story about what you would see through a telescope. That's pretty interesting. Or make a cartoon using Toonie Tool. I don't know. I think I'm going to choose Write It. I enjoy writing sentences and I don't have to click on anything else. So that seems simple to me. So now I'm going to scroll through to find the Write It slide. And then here, I need to think of some sentences with our different vocabulary words. So first, terrestrial. I'm going to think of another terrestrial planet. Mars is a terrestrial planet. How about atmosphere? I can breathe in the Earth's atmosphere. Right? Finally, telescope. If I had a telescope, I would look at the stars at night. All right. Then finally, I might write a few more sentences, however many. I just need to use all the vocabulary words. So finally, I will go back to my vocab choice board, place my second red X over Write It, because that's what I chose to do. And then check my work. I would scroll through all the slides, make sure I completed everything. And then finally, I would press submit and turn in my Do Now. Okay, I hope this makes the Do Now a little bit easier for everyone to complete. This is Miss Menzel signing off. Bye.